Let's make spicy beef jerky. Last time I made a Miss Vicky's spiced jerky and it was good, but it wasn't spicy enough. So I kicked it up just a notch. To make the marinade, mix soy sauce, Japanese Worcestershire sauce, and the spiciest hot sauce you can find. I'm using ghost pepper and your favorite spice blend. I'm using a Nihari spice mix. Remove any fat on a lean cut of beef. I'm using flank and thinly slice it. Pop open a baggie, throw in your beef along with the marinade and make sure there's no air in the bag. Mix well and let this marinate in the fridge overnight. Lay each piece of beef on a paper towel and then place another piece on top and press so you can remove as much of the moisture as possible. Evenly spread this across a tray and into the dehydrator it goes at 145 for about 3.5 hours. And the one slight mistake, or maybe the downside of this batch, is that for some reason the flank steak that I got had a bit too much fat marbled on the inside, and when you try to dehydrate fat, it doesn't really work well. It still tastes very good, it's juicy, it's a bit oily, but the downside is that this won't last as long as a really lean cut of beef. So this could only maybe last about a week in the fridge. So I basically vacuum packed it and I'm gonna freeze it and it should last me a couple of months.